my little Play-Doh green mermaid eyes. So I take this Play-Doh knife that I had in my toe, and I do this. I do 2 little pokes right there and right there. And then I take the knife and I kind of flip it like here. Like I do use it the same way, but instead I just go across. And that's how I make my, this is how I make. Oh, and if you have a Rainbow Dash Pony Play-Doh maker, you could take the top of her mane, and you could push it down and make some pony hair for the Little Mermaid. And you need to have green Play-Doh plus to make all green mermaid. And you need, for the hair, this would be her hair. To make this little bang I made here, I've made one and I squished that 2-piece and I had leftovers. And I took it and I cut it up. Look, I made those little lines. And now this is how I'm going to make lines on her hair. So I'm going to make the lines. So here, let's make some lines. I just did this. But if you want to press down a little harder, you can. I just do one big press and then I keep going on and on. Okay, it's not so important. And I just make lines all over her hair, all her beautiful hair. There. Wait, that was something important. That was her tail. Yes, go. So I flatten my finger and I flatten it. I flatten it out with my finger. And then I cut a little gap. And then I go around on one. And then I cut it out. And oops, I do that. I messed it up. Okay, so if you really want to see this, free play. Whoopsie. Wait, can I watch myself up there? Wait, move it down a little so I can watch. So here. So you're gonna take the Play-Doh and you're gonna take your finger and you're gonna smush it down. Is it copying everything I say? And you push it down. And then you take the knife and you cut a little zag. It moves there. And then we'll cut another line here. And another line here. Let's get that here. Okay. At the bottom. You would not really do this. It's just you just do it to look like you're just, and then you swipe that off. Swipe that away. And first you have one fin of your mermaid tail, which has just got ruined. Keep having to replace.